There are 6 different types of crypto wallets. In this course, we will go over all of them and discuss their pros and their cons. A mobile wallet is a smartphone application that allows users to store, manage, and transact with their cryptocurrencies on the go. It offers a convenient way to access and manage your digital currencies. Mobile wallets can be used for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, checking balances, and often includes features like QR code scanning for easy transaction use. Desktop wallet. A desktop wallet is a software application installed on a computer that enables users to manage their cryptocurrencies locally. Desktop wallets can offer more features and control, but may require regular software updates for security reasons. Web3 wallets. A Web3 wallet, also known as a browser wallet, is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that operates within a web browser. It's often used to interact with decentralized applications, also known as dApps, on blockchain networks. Users can easily access their wallet and interact with dApps directly from their browser without needing to install additional software. Online wallets. An online exchange is a digital platform where users can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. These exchanges provide order matching, liquidity, and trading pairs for different cryptocurrencies. Examples include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These are some of the top crypto exchanges. Hardware wallets. A hardware wallet is a physical device designed to securely store your private keys offline. It offers a high level of security because private keys are never exposed to the internet, reducing the risk to an online attack. Hardware wallets are considered one of the highest forms of crypto security. Paper wallets. A paper wallet is a physical piece of paper that contains your cryptocurrency public and private key. It's a cold storage method, meaning it's kept entirely offline, providing a high level of security. In summary, each of these terms represents a different type of cryptocurrency wallet or platform for managing and storing your digital assets. The choice of wallet depends on factors such as security preferences, convenience, and specific use case. Now, let's head over to the computer and get a visual representation of these different wallet types. Now is a good time for you to take a look at your workbook. So I've got mine on the monitor right here. So we've got our simple guide to crypto and NFTs workbook. And what I want you to do is scroll down and go to the wallet types. So that's what we're going to do. And this is version 1.2 of the workbook. So you can see all of the other information that we have here for you. So it's going to be just past the hot wallet and cold wallet. So we're going to focus our attention on the wallet types. So we've gone over the different wallet types, and now we're going to do it visually. Okay, so I spent a lot of time trying to get this to a point where it makes sense for anyone. All right, so here we've got the 6 wallet types again. So number 1, the mobile wallet, that is going to be software that you have on your cell phone. So I've got different mobile wallets on this device. And what you can do is have a non-custodial wallet, meaning you own the private keys, and that software holds your assets for you. So the mobile wallet, it's a hot wallet, meaning that it's exposed online. You could be hacked, okay? So if somebody gets access to my cell phone, I'm in trouble. Of course, if you equip it with the Trezor, we'll talk about it in a minute, but that's the mobile wallet. It is convenient. However, it does pose a lot of risks. Next, we have the desktop wallet. So we've got Exodus. I've got one on this desktop. Then we've got the Web3, which is a Chrome extension tool, something like that. And of course, that's another non-custodial. And then we've got an online exchange. So that is very convenient. You could argue just as convenient as a mobile wallet or a desktop. But the only thing is that a third party owns your keys, right? And the next one, we have a hardware wallet. Okay, so that will be something like a Trezor. So in order to create and sign transactions, you would need to physically hit the touch screen and know the PIN as well. Okay, so that's going to provide the best layer of protection Then we got a paper wallet. So let's dive really deep into this as much as we can. So by the way, in the workbook here, if you click on these links, for example, Exodus, Trust Wallet, here we can open in Chrome. Here we have links for you. Definitely go into the workbook and hit on these links. Again, as you can see, it takes you directly to the proper website. If you go on a website that has malicious activities, you could lose access to your token. Somebody could steal from you. Here we've got the mobile wallet. So this way you can own your private keys. Of course, we go over the entire setup of a Trust wallet with Chanel. And I think that's a pretty cool video to see someone else set up a wallet who's never done it before. So I hope you all enjoy that video. So the pros, free to download. It's completely free. Most of them are. Okay, so all you need is a cell phone. Very easy and simple to do. And the Trust wallet in Exodus, those are my two wallets of choice for the mobile wallet. And you own your private keys. So you own the keys. It's simple to access. It's great for every day. Perhaps what's going to be available in the future is the ability to have a mobile wallet, or perhaps this would be done through social media and connect and use Bitcoin or Cardano to pay for goods and services. I could see that happening down the road. We're still very early. Now the cons, connected to the internet. This makes it more accessible for attacks. So the main question you want to ask yourself is, how easy am I to hack? Okay. And then it requires more responsibility as you own your seed phrase. Non-custodial means that you own your private keys and you're the one that can sign transactions. And custodial means that someone else owns your keys for you. Requires more responsibility on that end, and then not very secure. Again, just more prone to attack. So it's convenient, but use it like a hotel room, in then out. Desktop wallet. When it comes to the mobile wallet and desktop wallet, it is identical. Specifically, if you are going to use Exodus, you can use the exact same account anyways. So you have a lot of different options, and of course you can view it on a big screen, which I typically like. I do like to see my portfolio. So the pros and cons, the only other pro is that you have a larger display and you can connect your Trezor. So if you do want to use Exodus with your Trezor, they have a great partnership and it works really well. I do use it. The cons, the exact same as the mobile wallet. So these two are very identical. A mobile wallet and a desktop wallet, they are very similar. It's just obviously one has a bigger screen and you can connect a hardware wallet. By the way, I do recommend that you have more than one wallet, right? Especially in crypto. It depends on what you want to do. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. You have to invest at your own risk. But personally, I have several different wallets and I test things out. Okay, so don't test things out with a lot of money. Start small. Okay, so Web3 wallets, these are Chrome extension tools. We've got a lot of options for you here. We do go over, again, how to set up this one as well. The MetaMask, and this is great for buying NFTs. Pretty easy to buy crypto, a little more difficult in Canada. The main pro to a web wallet is that you can do a lot more, in my opinion, than a mobile or desktop, as you can easily connect to dApps. Those are decentralized applications, what that means. And we do go over it throughout the course, but dApps are, you could think of products or businesses that are built on top of the layer 1 blockchain. So Ethereum is its own blockchain. You've got the ETH tokens and you've got Uniswap, and you can connect to Uniswap, connect MetaMask to an NFT store like OpenSea and buy NFTs. Okay, so the pros, free to download. You own the keys again, and they're simple to access, simple to buy and sell NFTs, simple to connect hardware wallets. I do it all the time. My MetaMask I equip with my Trezor. And then the cons, you are more prone to attacks. It's not very safe. It is not the most secure. So in terms of security, all three of these are similar. If you are someone who does not want to get into hardware wallets or owning your private keys, that's okay. Go ahead and set up an online exchange. They will hold your crypto for you. What this is going to be similar to is like having a bank account. So with the bank account, you deposit your money and they manage money for you. Whereas with crypto, you can do a little more managing on your end, of course. At the end of the day, these are great options. Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. I use that app all the time. We use it throughout the course. That's where I pick up crypto. So remember, take your time, sign up for the account. You got to put in your personal information. That's why we don't do it in the course, but we do break down how to buy. And yeah, that's the main thing, right? So you can download the Crypto.com app. Out of all three exchanges, I like Coinbase and Crypto.com. If you're in the States, Binance is pretty good as well. And it gives you a lot of opportunities to very easily buy, sell, swap, and those type of things. Now, what these companies will do, similar to banks, is when you are depositing your funds, because they self-custody, they're going to make money off of your tokens, right? And they will stake for you. And that could be good in the sense of, if you don't know what you're doing, if you find it too confusing and you just don't want to deal with it, go ahead, just do the staking with these companies. Just understand that in this course, we teach you how to do it where you get all the APY. So if you want to get better gains, do it yourself through a DeFi application. And we're going to teach you that. Okay, so that's something to note. For example, if you have Cardano in your account, you have some Cosmos or other proof of stake tokens, they will stake for you and they will give you a percentage of what they're making. So just understand that they're not giving you all of the staking rewards, and I don't blame them. They are managing everything. So just wanted to mention that these are good options. You are not guaranteed to get your tokens back. Whereas because I have a hardware wallet, I've got several of them, I own my private keys, and I could always restore my wallet. If Binance goes down, good luck getting your tokens back. Okay? So the next one, hardware wallets. We talk about it quite a bit. In fact, I even bought this beautiful ICE version of the Ledger Nano S Plus. And I must say, I do like the device. I never thought I would purchase another one. I've got many different hardware wallets. I do like this one. I'm a big fan. I'm happy we went with it for the course. And, you know, this course has been taking at least a year to develop, just so you know. And I really do like this hardware wallet. So I've had it for around a month so far, probably even a bit longer, and I do like it. Again, use the links in the workbook. What this device does is it acts as an intermediary. It makes it extremely difficult to hack. So you set up a PIN, you put in your PIN, and you have to sign the transaction. So it's not as easy as getting access to a computer. You would need the device and know the PIN. So it's adding more layers, right? Ask yourself, how difficult am I to hack? Simple to access. You can also connect to dApps, okay? So that would be like through MetaMask. And yeah, there are a lot of options, and it's expanding every week, it seems. The only cons is that it costs a little bit of money. So for example, we went with one that's under $100. And then the Trezor Model T, it's roughly 200 euro. So it's a lot more. But it is the best hardware wallet. If you've got $10,000, please pick one up. Okay? And it does require more responsibility. You have to update the software, but I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan so far. Now, the final one. This is going to be the final one, right? So this is going to be the paper wallets. And this is another cold storage option. So the hardware wallet, as well as the paper wallet, those are cold storage options because your private keys are never online. They're not on software where the software is connected to the internet. So this plugs into your computer, but the keys are not on the software. They're offline. Same with the paper wallets, okay? So we have a link for you here. You can set up a Bitcoin paper wallet, but there are cons, right? It's easy to lose the paper. It requires more responsibility. Private keys are on paper. It doesn't feel like a good long-term approach. You could easily lose it. Paper deteriorates. We also go over in a little more detail as well. I go over mnemonic metal backups, and I use them extensively as well. Take your time and ask yourself, how well am I protected? Do I understand these different wallet types? And if not, give them a shot. So that's all we have for you right now. We'll see you in the next one.